Hey guys, Gypsy Trails here. We're doing another amazing video for you guys. We are hiking Mount Monroe and Mount Eisenhower today. We are taking the Ammonoosuc Ravine Trail. It's about 3 miles to the Lake of the Clouds hut, and then about another half mile to Mount Monroe. After that, little speed bump over Mount Franklin, and then on to Mount Eisenhower. Shouldn't be too bad today, but looking at maybe 10 miles. Hopefully all that clears up by the time we get up there. But already got warm. We're moving. Well, we're moving. Wow. Just goes to show there are a lot of fatalities that happen in the whites. You can never be too careful up here. Well, things just got super misty out. We're at about 3,250 feet of elevation. Yeah, it's not looking like these clouds are leaving anytime soon. But it's nice and cool.
Hopefully we bust out of them.
Yeah, let's hope. And the sun's kind of just creeping through right there. Hopefully it comes to us. Top of the falls. Wow, that's amazing. It's a slip and slide. Wouldn't want to slide on this though.
Climb, hobbits, climb.
Where you going, son? Come on. It was literally just a sliver over there. And now it's gone. Almost.
We are 2.6 miles into the Ammonoosuc Ravine Trail, and we just passed another waterfall. So beautiful! So we are just closing in on 0.6 to the Lake of the Clouds hut and 1 mile to Mount Monroe, and then it's just another mile over to Eisenhower.
Well, it really opened up. Besides the clouds. This is what a real mountain looks like. But yeah, we're actually, you can hardly see it through the mist, but coming up on the Lake of the Clouds hut. And the name sure is fitting today. Yeah, it dropped like 10 degrees in the last 20 minutes.
How are your legs feeling, Evan?
Not bad. All right. That's not bad. Let's warm up for a minute. It's a bit chilly in here. Oh, that was fun. Now we're heading on the Crawford Path towards Mount Monroe. That way, where everyone else is going, is Mount Washington. So, hopefully, it should be a bit quieter from here on, albeit a bit colder. It was just really windy. But got it. And yeah, it's amazing. We can actually, from this point, we can see everything we have left to do. We got, I think, Jefferson, and then behind there is Adams and Madison. Try to find some shelter from this wind because I got some chicken soup I'm dying to have. Woo!
Hey everyone! So we are approaching 7 miles in on our hike today, and we are continuing down Edmonds Path. So we did a full loop. We kind of customized our own route, and we're gonna have a little bit of a road walk. Hopefully not too long, but the sun is shining and things have finally really warmed up in Treeline, and we're feeling great. Excited to finish up this trail on Edmonds and see all the beauty that it has to offer.
So we have about a little less than a mile to go. 2,300 feet in elevation right now. And man, what a difference. Like 2,500 feet of elevation lost. Because it went from like 39 and absolutely frigid and windy. Now it's 60, no wind. Tell the difference. It's amazing.
Well, we have made it back to the trailhead of Edmonds Path, and now we commence. Oh, someone left their inhaler. Now we commence our road walk, so hopefully it's only a couple miles.
Probably about 2 miles.
Yeah, it's beautiful out. The sun is shining, so couldn't be happier with the weather. And yeah, we're excited to wind down on a little flat stretch. And it's been a beautiful day so far, so we'll update you soon.
Turned out real nice.
So we're doing this road walk, but we found some wild raspberry bushes. The trail provides, even when the trail is the road.
Hey guys, so we just got back to the trailhead. Had a lovely little walk. But yeah, final mileage is just over 10 miles. Feeling all right.
Still beautiful. They had the raspberries and we saw a bunch of monarch butterflies.
Yeah.
So we turned it into a nice time.
Yeah, it was fine. We're just happy to be back now. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And happy trails, guys.
Bye.